Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my monthly wellness order from Young Living for the month of February. So each month I place an order to kind of restock on some of my favorite products. Young Living carries essential oils. They also carry a lot of like home care cleaning products and personal care products. They carry like even food products. They have babies products, kids products. It really is like a one-stop shop for me, and it's kind of like the easy button for trying to find like clean, non-toxic products that work really well. And I absolutely love them. I've been ordering from them every month for over 2 years now, and I love it. And I also order on loyalty rewards, which is a really great way to help you save money. They give you like points back that you like for product credit that you can then use to buy more stuff. And it's for free essentially, and all you're paying is shipping. And the more you're on it, the more that you earn. So I earn like up to you earn up to 25%. I've been ordering for over 2 years now, so I'm earning 25% back with each order. And then I just use those points that I get to buy more stuff. So it's a really sweet deal. Plus you can actually get some like freebies with each month and stuff like that, which always change up each month. They call that gifts with purchase. So it's really fun and I love it. These products have been really life-changing for me and have definitely helped me to transition my life into more of like more natural living, more non-toxic living, which if you guys want to know more about like non-toxic living, maybe hear like why you may even want to even consider like trying to, kind of move more in the direction and transition more in the direction of that kind of way of life. I actually made a whole video where I talked about this. And I even shared like some testimonials and examples and everything in there. So I'm gonna link that up above for you guys. But it has been hugely beneficial for me. And it has really helped me to implement a really just like nice wellness lifestyle that, I do to help me take care of myself on a day-to-day basis. So here we go. This is what I got. So the first thing that I ordered this month is a bottle of the Lavender hand and body lotion. My skin has been pretty dry lately. We're right in the middle of winter, and with the colder weather, my skin is just not super happy right now. So I use this on my hands, periodically throughout the day. It's really like, I'm wearing it right now. It's a very like light scent. It's not overpowering at all. And it has like a very like calming aroma thanks to the lavender essential oil that is in here. I'm trying to think, it has a couple other things in here too. It has like sandalwood extract. It has wolfberry, which is really high in antioxidants, great for the skin. It has lemon peel oil. It has rosemary, davana, myrrh. So there's other essential oils in here, but it has like a very nice light calming aroma to it. And you can definitely smell the lavender, but it's pretty light. So it's not like a super strong scent. Again, these are all just like natural essential oils in here. There is no synthetic fragrance, or like chemicals that really like enhance the aroma and all of that, which has always irritated me. I get really bad migraines from all those like chemicals and everything. So for me, this works so well, highly recommend it. And it also doesn't leave any like weird greasy feel on your hands, and it absorbs like really fast into your skin as well. So it doesn't like, you're not like sitting there for like, a couple minutes, like trying to work the lotion into your skin. It just absorbs really quickly and it's not greasy or anything like that. And then I also like to use this on like my legs or my arms, my elbows, especially like right when I get out of the shower. If I feel like I need it like at night or something before I go to bed, I'll do it again. But otherwise, I usually just put this on right when I'm done with the shower and I'm good to go for the day. The next thing that I got for the month, let's see. Ooh, okay, so I got a bottle of lime essential oil. So I actually had a pretty full bottle of lime essential oil, and unfortunately I I had taken it's a long story. I took the cap, so the cap comes off. There's like a little plastic thing in there, helps you control how much oil comes out of the bottle. And I had taken that off because I was switching it out with a different bottle that had like a roll-on fitment on top, but I needed to like pour it. It's a long story, you guys. Anyways, the point is that I ended up knocking it over and like half the bottle leaked out on my planner. My planner smells amazing because it smells just like lime essential oil. But goodness gracious, I wasted quite a bit of lime oil, like because it spilled on my planner. So I still had maybe a half or a third like left in the bottle, but spring is coming up and I love to diffuse lime essential oil throughout the spring, especially in the summer too. And so I wanted to restock, and this way I have it for all of the wonderful diffuser blends that are coming soon. So I restocked on this because I totally screwed up, but that's okay. I love to diffuse this along with like geranium, or there's a blend called Joy, which is a bunch of floral oils in there. I also love to diffuse this with other citrus oils like lemon or orange or tangerine, citrus fresh, which is another blend that Young Living carries. I love to diffuse it with vanilla or peppermint in the morning. So lots of fun diffuser blends. It has like a very like bright citrus, like uplifting aroma. Imagine that you are zesting a lime, and that's what this smells like. And so I love to diffuse this, and I got a nice restock. Plus, you can actually put lime essential oil like in like your drinks, or you can use it when you're cooking or marinades or vinaigrettes or something like that. So you can get like the lime vitality essential oil, which is like the 5 ml lime oil that has the white label, and those are specifically labeled for internal use if you wanted to do that. And that they do that specifically because they need to have like label requirements for how you can use it, the essential oil internally if you choose to do that. This one does not have that. This just has like topical or like aromatic use directions. But I wanted to say that the oil that's in those vitality bottles is the same that's in like the colored label bottles. So for me, I'm just gonna get the 15 ml and I use it all the time. It's a better, like, you know, cost-effective way to get it. And they are like the exact same essential oil, but again, in order to be able to say that you can use it for internal use, they need to have like special labeling requirements. If I need to look this up, I will just go on the website because all the directions are listed there. But anyways, so I'm going to use this also for like fun, like dressings or marinades. I love to use this when I'm making like date balls or energy bites. I also like to use this in drinks, so like with seltzer or even in my Ningxia Red. It like helps to flavor it, and it also adds some health supporting properties to your foods as well. It contains antioxidants. So I love this essential oil, and I restocked, and this time I am not going to spill it all over my planner. Hey you guys, so I was introduced to Young Living's essential oils and non-toxic products a couple of years ago, and since then they have become an integral part of my everyday wellness routines. I use them every single day, and they have made such a huge impact in my life, and I want to share with you how to shop for them too. So for those of you who are brand new to Young Living, the best way to get started is with one of their starter bundles. I love the premium starter bundle if you want to get started using essential oils, the Happy Healthy Home Kit for non-toxic home care cleaning products, and the Daily Wellness Kit for my favorite whole body wellness supplement, Ningxia Red. What I love about Young Living is that they are family owned. They have been sourcing essential oils for over 29 years, and they own their own farms, which you can actually go and visit. They have strict standards for their oils and products, and they perform in-house testing as well as have third-party testing on their oils to ensure that we are receiving the highest quality, genuine essential oils. Additionally, they are a one-stop shop for so many of our everyday products. They also carry skincare products, personal care products, products for kids, and even supplements. You can place a regular order on their website, or you can place a loyalty order. If you know that you're going to be trying new oils and products and also restocking on your everyday favorites, then loyalty orders are going to serve you the best. You earn up to 25% back in reward points for each loyalty order that you place, and then you can turn around and use these points as store credit to buy more products. It is such a sweet deal, plus you can earn gifts with purchase as well, which change up each month. If you have been thinking about getting started, I can't recommend these products enough, and I have a link in the description box so that you can start shopping today. The next essential oil that I got, so this is the freebie oil for the month of February. So I got this because I spent a certain amount, and when you spend a certain amount and you're on loyalty rewards, you can qualify for gifts with purchase, and they change up each month. And so the first tier for this month is a free bottle of a 5 ml of Deep Relief oil, which I love. This oil is a blend. It has a bunch of different essential oils in there, and it's really, really helpful for like sore muscles or if you have like muscle tension. So if I ever have like some head tension, I'll just take a little bit of this, rub it on my fingers, and then just like gently massage my temples, maybe on my forehead, maybe like on the back of like my neck, or like the bottom of like my head or something, and just like kind of gently massage it. Sometimes when I've been like sitting down or editing or, you know, reading or something for a long period of time, sometimes like when your neck is in that position, you know, it can like irritate your like neck muscles here. So sometimes I'll just go ahead and put some of that oil on with like a carrier oil, and I'll just like massage my neck a little bit, or my shoulders. If you like exercise a ton and you just feel like sore muscle, like you have a lot of like sore muscles, then you can use this in like a massage or something with some carrier oil. So it's a really nice oil. It smells so good. It smells very minty. And it also is like, it gives like a nice soothing sensation on your skin, thanks to the oils that are present in here. The next essential oil that I got a lot of oils this month. Okay, so this oil here is a vitality oil, and it's the Endoflex oil. So this is a blend. It has a bunch of essential oils in here. So there's spearmint, there's sesame seed oil, there's sage, geranium, myrtle, German chamomile, or chamomile, however you want to say it, and nutmeg essential oil in here. So this oil I got for a specific purpose, and this one right here I wanted to get to help me support my hormones and my endocrine system. So Endoflex essential oil, I actually have it in like the big 15 ml, and I got this because I just didn't want to deal with like kind of like having to switch out, because on the other one I have like a roll-on fitment on top of the bottle so that I can apply it topically on my skin. I usually apply it all over my thyroid each day, right here on my neck. That's where your thyroid is located. You can also put it on like your lower back. And because I have the roll-on fitment on top, I don't want to have to like take it off and then like find like another, like, you know, take the like plastic part that's on here, switch it over there so I can diffuse it, or, you know, take it internally, which is what I plan to be doing here. That's actually how I spilled all of the lime oil, was I was trying to like switch everything out. So I was like, you know what? Not gonna deal with this anymore. I'm just gonna buy a second bottle of Endoflex oil. And I got the Vitality oil because I do specifically want to start taking this internally along with applying it topically on my skin. And what I plan to do is just add this into my morning tea or even my Ningxia drink for the day. It tastes really, really good. So this oil can be used to help support your endocrine system. Your endocrine system is made up of a bunch of organs that are creating hormones in your body. So for example, you have your thyroid, you have your adrenal glands, you have your reproductive hormones, so your sex hormones, and there's a very intricate like way that they all kind of work together, and they really affect like all the cells in your body, and it's really important to help support this area, to learn more about this area. I plan on making a video to like really go into this topic and explain it more from like a more of a sciencey perspective. For those of you who are interested in kind of learning more like deep knowledge about this area of your body, it's so, so important. So definitely more to come on that, as well as this. The next essential oil that I got is Geranium Bourbon. So I love this oil. Geranium has this like luscious floral scent to it. It smells so, so pretty. And you can use this in a lot of different diffuser blends, especially during the spring and summer months, which is why I restocked on it, because I was running out. So I love to diffuse this essential oil. You can actually use this for, there's a diffuser blend for like a candle replacement for the Anthro Volcano candle. And there's a diffuser blend to like get the same smell, but like without using candles and synthetic fragrance, and it smells so dreamy. So I love that. I diffuse this all the time. You can also use this as perfume. It smells so good. And then two other uses for this oil that make it really special is that it can actually help promote like glowing skin. So you can add this into your glow serum. And then it also, and I actually just learned about this, so I'm excited to like start giving it a try. But it can actually help promote like shiny looking hair, like healthy looking hair. So I'm super excited to start using this. You can use this in like a hair oil, or something you can do is just like add a couple drops into your shampoo and conditioner, and that way it gets on your hair when you're washing it. So I'm excited to give that a try, and I'm sure it would also make your hair smell beautiful and luscious and floral. Okay, and then the last essential oil that I ordered during the month of February is Idaho Blue Spruce. Idaho Blue Spruce is one of my favorite essential oils that Young Living carries. I love to diffuse it in the spring and summer months. As you can tell, I've really restocked on the oils that I love to diffuse in the months that are coming up. This is a tree oil. It has a woodsy aroma. It's very calming and grounding. I love to diffuse this anytime I'm feeling stressed or overwhelmed. It's also a part of that Anthro Volcano candle replacement diffuser blend. So I definitely plan on diffusing that blend of oils. And I needed to restock because I was out of this essential oil as well. You can also use this oil to help support your respiratory system. So you can use this with an oil like RC or Raven, and those are two other blends that Young Living carries that are great for respiratory support. And you can combine it with a carrier oil and then make like your own like DIY chest rub. You can also use this for like your muscles, like so for muscle support. So it's really helpful for helping like relax your muscles. So like a nice thing that you can do like when you're getting like a massage done. So love it for that. And something else about this essential oil is that it is actually the highest frequency essential oil that Young Living offers. This oil is distilled from the Idaho Blue Spruce tree that's harvested in the Highland Flats, and it has it's located at a very high elevation, and the tree has very deep roots, and so the combination of that helps to contribute to that high frequency. And with the high frequency, that is really one of the ways that it can really help you just feel like uplifted and help elevate your mood. So that is everything that I ordered from Young Living this month. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Ultimately, I'm just very excited for spring. I'm kind of done with winter and ready for some warmer weather, and I'm very excited, and I'm definitely preparing for it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you would like to see more like diffuser blend ideas or roller recipes, perfume recipes, education on oil, stuff like that, you should definitely head over to my Instagram page. It's called @Holistic and Oily Essentials, and that's my Instagram page where I basically talk about essential oils and Young Living products. And if you want to get like more information and see more inspiration on using oils and how to use oils and all of that, then definitely follow me over on there. And if you are interested in seeing more healthy living content, natural living content, healthy recipes, wellness education, then definitely click the subscribe button and join me in my community. Post videos every single week on those topics, and I would absolutely love to have you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.